Have you ever opened a Relay bank account and wondered if it's actually active? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into the steps to check your Relay bank account status and ensure you're ready to start using your new financial tool. Scene: a montage of people using their phones to check their bank accounts. Narrator: before we get into the specifics, let's understand why it's important to verify your account's activation. An inactive account might prevent you from accessing your funds, making payments, or enjoying any of the features Relay Bank offers. Scene: a person trying to make a payment but getting an error message. Narrator: so, how can you check if your Relay Bank account is activated? Here are a few methods. 1. Online banking. Log into your Relay Bank online banking portal. This is usually accessible through the Relay Bank website or app. Check your dashboard or account summary. Look for a message or indicator that confirms your account's activation status. Scene: a person logging into their online banking account and checking their dashboard. Narrator: if your account is active, you should see your account balance, recent transactions, and other relevant information. If you don't see any of these, it might be a sign that your account is still pending activation. 2. Mobile app. Download and install the Relay Bank mobile app. Log into your account. Check the app's main screen or your account settings. Look for a message or indicator confirming activation. Scene: a person using the Relay Bank mobile app to check their account status. Narrator: the mobile app often provides a more convenient way to check your account status, especially if you're on the go. 3. Contact customer support. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to contact Relay Bank's customer support. You can usually find their contact information on the Relay Bank website or app. Explain your situation and ask if your account is activated. They should be able to provide you with a definitive answer. Scene: a person calling Relay Bank customer support. Narrator: while online and mobile methods are generally preferred, contacting customer support can be helpful if you have any other questions or concerns. 4. Check your email. Look for an activation email from Relay Bank. This email might contain instructions on how to activate your account or confirm your identity. If you haven't received an activation email, it could be in your spam or junk folder. Scene: a person checking their email for an activation email. Narrator: make sure to check your email thoroughly, especially if you've recently opened the account. 5. Wait for a confirmation message. If you've completed all the necessary steps to activate your account, it might take some time for the process to be finalized. Relay Bank might send you a confirmation message or email once your account is fully activated. Scene: a person receiving a confirmation message from Relay Bank. Narrator: be patient and wait for a notification from Relay Bank before trying to access your account. Scene: a person successfully accessing their Relay Bank account. Narrator: now that you know how to check your Relay Bank account activation status, you can confidently start using your new financial tool. Remember, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Relay Bank's customer support for assistance. End screen: a call to action to subscribe and like the video. Narrator: with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.